Today's project's pretty simple. I'll be turning 2 shot glasses from these 5x4 inch logs that I have. I don't know what type of wood it is, but I know that I'm going to turn 2 shot glasses out of it. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Everything was going pretty smooth up to this point, and of course all hell broke loose. So here I am at the end. The plan was 2 shot glasses. I ended up with 1, but it did come out nice. It's kind of big. I would say probably 4 ounces. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.